And now what we want to talk about is just a little small kitchen tabletop dehydrator. What this is just little stackable shelves above a heating element. There's no blower, it just air flows from the heat that's generated by the element. After you have your meat marinated, regardless of what kind it is, and it really can't be cut too thick for these type of units. But you can put your pieces in here, your round pieces, your flat pieces, your long pieces, and it just has to be laid in, but you want to keep it about a ½ inch away from each other. You don't want any of the meat touching, because in this type of dryer, it won't get very dry if the meat's touching. But anyway, you can put 4 or 5 pieces in each layer, and you can mix it up. And then this particular unit, you have about 5 or 6 layers. You plug it in, the element heats, and as it heats, it generates a little bit of a draft. So you put the cover on it, and the first 3 or 4 hours you want to close this vent. You want this vent to be closed, because you want the heat in there, and the heat's only going to be around 90 degrees. And then after about the first 4 hours, you go ahead and open these vents so you can get a good amount of air circulating throughout the dehydrator. And this unit, if it had 2 pounds of meat in it, it would take about 8 to 10 hours to dry and cure the meat.